Hey guys, welcome back and hello if you're new. Today is a collab with a friend of mine. I've already collabed with her and on her other channel, but she's awesome enough to let me to collab with me on her other channel, Comfort Living with the Reeds, where she coupons and shows you how to get free products at like Dollar General and stuff like that. Dollar General. So go check out her channel and tell her I sent you. And if you're from her channel, hello, I'm Ashley the homemaker. And on this channel, I do cleaning. I do crazy, there's a squirrel, literally squirrel out there. I do cleaning, I do like sometimes I vlog. We're getting ready to go on vacation, so you need to stick around for that. And tips and tricks, how I survived my 2 children and everything else. So let's get into the video. I guess I should tell you what I'm doing my video on. Today, my pantry is a hot mess express, you know, because I am. So I am going to redo my cabinets. I recently moved. If you have not been following, I will leave all my moving videos below and unboxing videos, moving in, getting everything unpacked. So all of those will be linked below in the description box. But yes, today she's not, I'm not sure what she's doing, because I messaged her yesterday and she was like, I'm not sure, but I'll send them your way, honey. But usually sounds like, I'm like, oh, I'll just wake up and film this today. I put it in my planner and I'm like, no, I just kind of wake up and film whatever I feel like. So yeah, we are going to get in my crazy cabinets and pantry and organize my cupboards. Just the food part. Food. It's a crazy mess. Are you ready to see this? Bam. What did I tell you? Crazy mess. I did have it somewhat organized when I was in the other house. I have makeup on my nose because I have a crazy pimple. But yes, we are going to get this crazy mess organized. Okay, but my cans are in another cabinet because I couldn't fit them in here. So we're gonna try and get my cans up in there. That way all my food is together. I love it when everything is together and organized. It makes my heart happy. Yes, so let's get into it, y'all. Okay, quick tip. This is my kids' food. I put all their food together in one area. That way they know if they're hungry, they know where to go, they know what to get, they know what snacks. There's a bunch of snacks in here. Chips, yeah, Pop-Tarts, all kinds of stuff in there. And then there's some more up there. But yes, my kids have their own section for snacks and stuff. And it even helps when they make their lunches for when school is in session. They go in, they can pick what they got and just put it in their lunchbox. But yes, let's get started to organize it.
I can't find my way back to you until you make amends with the demons you've been through. And I can't regret leaving you alone until you find your way back home.
Also, I don't like boxes, so I take everything out, including Cheez-Its, cereal. There is one box of cereal. The only reason why there's stuffing and like Hamburger Helper in boxes is because the instructions are on the box. So I don't want to like throw that away. So I just keep, you know, Pop-Tarts, Cheez-Its, I can throw away the boxes. It takes up too much space. If you take them out of the box, you have more space.
Until you find your way back home. Don't let me drown. Don't let me drown. Don't let me drown. Until you find your way back home.
Had to take a little bit of a break because, oh my gosh, this pimple on my nose. I had to take a little bit of a break because I'm hyperglycemic and I was getting a little shaky, and if I get a little shaky, I can possibly pass out. So whenever I feel shakiness come on, I stop what I'm doing, I eat a little bit and rest for a minute till I can feel my blood pressure coming back to normal. So went out to my garage and grabbed a few more organizers. So let's get into it and get back to organizing.
I can't regret leaving you alone until you find your way back home.
I'm feeling so hollow. Don't you know? Don't you know? I'm living in shadow. Don't you know? Don't you know? I fell for fools gold. I fell for fools.
I use this for everything. Shaving my legs, taking my makeup off, I have another container of it in my bathroom.
Gold, what did I know? What did I know? I fell for fools. Gold, I fell for fools. Gold, what did I know? What did I know? You were fool's gold. Yes, I did. And I did it all for love. Yes, I did it all for love. Oh, they say fools believe in it, so I guess I'm one of them. Oh, don't you know? I fell for fools. Gold, I fell for fools. Gold, what did I know? What did I know? I fell for fools. Gold, I fell for fools. Gold, what did I know? What did I know? You were fool's gold.
I also try to keep all the breakfast stuff together for the kids as well. So if, like on Saturdays, they just can come in and get whatever they want.
Yes, I did. Yes, I did. Yes, I did.
You and me are bored of regularities.
Okay, there you guys have it. Going through my pantry and reorganizing. I hope those few tips helped you guys. Go check out Lakin's channel. Like I said earlier, it is linked below. And Sky is wanting out and she just came in. If you guys like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more from me, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that bell so you will get notified every time I upload a video on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. All right, guys, I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.